What's up, YouTube? We're about to make some deep fried pork belly, Filipino dish that we have called lechon kawali. First thing we're gonna have is the pork belly, some salt, bay leaves, garlic cloves, and some peppercorn. I'm gonna put this in the water, let it boil out, and then from there we'll go ahead and show you how it starts. Okay, so I got the water boiling a little bit now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and drop the bay leaves inside. Just give the water a little bit of flavor to add to the pork belly. Go ahead and put the garlic in also. Then we're gonna put in a little bit of peppercorn. Okay. All right, so now once all that is in, let's go ahead and throw in the pork belly. So we're gonna let this boil for about an hour maybe, till it's nice and soft and cooked. So about an hour, I should say. Okay, 30 minutes in, we're at a good boil. You can see I added another pork belly because I was thinking about making another dish, but we'll see how that goes. So right now you can see the bay leaves, the garlic cloves, everything's come together. It's boiling real good. And from there we'll see once we take it out, I'll show you the next step. So it's been about an hour and 20 minutes and pork is pretty much done, nice and soft. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it in the middle because it's too big to kind of deep fry it in my pan. So let's go ahead and cut it in the middle. See how soft that is? Just like butter. All right. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna dab it to get the water out. Okay, dry it up. Then we're gonna add salt all over it. Go ahead and dab it up. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put salt. But, you know, kind of be generous on the salt because we're gonna need it. It's gonna give the flavor out. A little bit more, should be good. All right, then we're gonna go ahead and deep fry it, and I'll show you what it looks like right when it gets inside. Okay, I got the oil hot. We're gonna go ahead and put in the first piece. There you go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and let this fry up for a minute. Get both sides nice and crispy. Show you what it looks like in a minute. Okay, 3 minutes passed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip it because we're gonna do 3 minutes on each side. And then we're gonna come back and refry it again. So we're gonna take it out right now. We're gonna do the skin side. And then we're gonna take it out, let it rest, then refry it. Better put a lid because it looks like it's about to splatter everywhere. So we just took it out, let it rest a little bit. After the second fry, you can hear the crispiness. So let's go ahead and cut it, see what it looks like in the inside. Sorry guys, I didn't get to show you about cutting it and everything. I thought I was recording the whole time, but it wasn't recording at all. But this is the finishing touches right here. I made a second dish called sisig. I thought I was recording it also, but I didn't, so sorry about that. This is it right here. Deep fried pork belly, Hopefully you like it, and go ahead and try to make it yourself. Thanks for watching.